One of my favorite aspects of fishing is the endless variation within it. From spinning reels to Western fly fishing outfits to Tenkara. There are so many interesting and different ways to catch fish. People commonly say, a day spent on the water catching no fish is better than a day spent in the office. I largely agree with that sentiment. I love being outside and spending time in nature. But I also really strive to put fish in the net. I just love pulling fish out from their hidden worlds to view their patterns and their colors, if only for a few seconds. As I explore a new-to-me warm water river in the busy suburbs of Chicago, I think of all the fish that I might catch. Bass, suckers, sunfish, I really have no idea. And that mystery spurs me on. Let's get in there, enjoy some time in nature, and try to put a few fish in the net. It's a beautiful morning out here today. It's about 7 in the morning. Gonna get really hot. Some thunderstorms are gonna roll in later today. And I am in the suburbs of Chicago, visiting family. Wanted to get out this morning and fish a new river. I have no idea what I'm gonna find today. I think I'm gonna have to be looking for deep holes here, moving around, just looking for the fish. We'll see if we can figure out a pattern. Ooh. Hello. Hello. First fish of the day here. What do we got? Oh, cool. Green sunfish. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Look at that thing. Man, that is just a stunning fish. Look at those patterns on the cheeks. Incredible. Can't believe a sunfish lives in fresh water that looks like that. Looks so tropical. I love these guys. Such spunky little fighters. Always willing to bite. All right, well, we are on the board. I absolutely love sunfish. Make fun of me all you want. But they're so readily available and always down to eat. And here's another one. Look at that stunning little guy. They're so ferocious for their size. Just love them. Just love them. The more you can think about the habits of the fish that you're targeting, the more success you're gonna have. And when you're at a new place, for sure, I always just like to make my way across as many different habitats, try different flies, try as many things as possible until I figure out a pattern that's actually working. What do we got? What do we got? I think we're working with a creek chub here, which I have caught before, but I'm out east, so I'm kind of psyching myself out here. That's good. Multi-species day here. I love that. This is some really nice looking structure here. Probably the deepest, definitely the most smallmouth bass looking spot that I have come across yet. So I'm just slowly making my way up here, casting around these rock pillars, making our way up to this tree in the water. A lot of potential here for sure. Thought for sure we were gonna pull a fish out of this hole. Would have bet money on that, easily. Not even a sunfish. Come on, guys. Back in we go. And another fish. What do we got here? Oh, a rock bass. New species. I'm just loving the variety in this river so far. This is a beautiful little rock bass. Ooh, 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 ooh. Big carp just chased my fly. Oh my God. Come on. Big carp. Very big carp. Okay. Wow, I don't know if they're very hungry or what, but that that first fish, I mean, he was kind of actively following my fly down, and another one just popped out from underneath this trunk and kind of. I'm too excited. He followed it. And they're following it. Unusual behavior for carp. Well, hey, that's a pretty big rock bass there. Came out of nowhere, lurking under that log there. Just trying to target these carp. They're not having it, but spunky rock bass, he's always having it. And man, what a beautiful, beautiful specimen this one is. We've got quite the mix of species in this pool here. I am seeing a school of red horse, and I saw some bass. We've got a lot going on right at the edge of the river here. I've never caught a red horse. It is one of my main priorities for today. I think that would be just absolutely so cool. Native in the sucker family, beautiful red fins on the short head red horse that live around this area. And they're pretty big, similar to carp. You can feed them flies. Man, that would just be, that would make my day. Oh, bass following, bass following. Here comes one, here comes one. Come on, eat it. Oh my gosh, there's a few hovering around here. I don't know if I'm spooking them. This water is crystal clear, but red horse want nothing to do with my fly. I'm seeing suckers, big suckers all around as well. They, of course, want nothing to do with my fly. But most concerning of all, I am seeing lots of smallmouth, mixture of young ones, small ones, as well as some pretty decent sized ones, probably 13, 14, 15 inches. And man, every time I cast by them, they'll follow my fly for a while, staying about a foot back or so, and they just will not commit. I don't know if it's the time of day, it's midday, it's hot. I'm making my way upriver here. I think my main culprit at this point is that I'm potentially spooking these fish. So, oh, here's a huge bass, oh my God. Oh, I mean, I drifted it right by him. That bass is huge, wow. Some nice fish in this river. If only they were on fire. Anyways, I'm gonna keep casting, working my way up, trying to find some fresh fish. Maybe I just need to get a fly in front of their face when they haven't detected me in the slightest. That's kind of my main hope at this point. We'll keep persevering. So many fish in here. It's pretty cool seeing them all. Still having a great time out here, of course. The almighty rock bass. Constant companion today. Well, hey, I'm not a species hater. The tug is the drug, right? And I was certainly getting discouraged. No positive bites at all, tons of follows. Very frustrating. Yeah, I know, just a rock bass. Of course he's down to bite, but even some sunfish back there near the red horse were just like not cooperating, doing the short strikes and all that good stuff. So feels good to get an actual chase down and a solid eat. Here comes a fish. All right. Now I say that was a largemouth bass, and he was not giving me a solid eat. So I'm gonna fish this river, or this spot rather, a little bit longer. Maybe I'll make a move, head to a different section of river. Maybe that'll work out for me. Oh, there we go. So there's a thunderstorm moving in, and I don't know, you know, it's just a thought, but what if it has these fish turned on a little bit? And here's a new species as well. Just a little guy, but new species for the day, and pretty striking example. I love that strong lateral line on this little guy. Small largemouth are always voracious. As the skies darkened, that bite never came. Bald eagles retreated to their roosts, and the fish, they locked their jaws. Being immersed in the lush landscape surrounding this river, seeing so much wildlife, never fully knowing what I'd pull up next, it all comes together to provide a truly enjoyable experience. As the raindrops begin to fall, I head home and give the herons a chance to catch some fish. They don't mind the weather at all. If you'd like to watch me fish another warm water river in Illinois, click the video above. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you next time.